Hey loves, I have tried numerous times to make videos about the changes that I've done with my YouTube channels, but I can't seem to find the time to get it uploaded and all of that, and I'm still not even done editing it. So I figured just cut my loss there because I've been out in the yard doing my gardening and all of that. And so what I wanted to say is that I still want to do the mediumship readings or the oracle card readings and things like that I do, the service works, but I'm going to go ahead and move it over to my other channel. I'm still going to do gardening and things like that with like metaphysical and things like that, but on this channel. My other gardening channel that I've pretty much turned to gardening now, which was originally supposed to be everything, I might still do that. I might still every now and then make things, post it and all of that to where it still goes with both channels, but I don't know, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I've been meaning to let y'all know that, and I'm wanting to do maybe an oracle card reading soon or something like that as well. Try to get this channel active again, because being stuck in the garden, I'm going to get to the point when I get it finally done, because I'm not even done yet. If you do like gardening things, then you can definitely check out my other channel. It's got all kinds of stuff for that. And so, but this one I'm going to try to make, like I said, to where it's more metaphysical type topics with gardening. So like when I get my crystals everywhere, let me show you. Okay, so I'm still not done setting everything up. I got the greenhouses put together. I still got my trellises to put together over there. I still got to cut the yard. I mean, there is so much that I'm still trying to work on. But what I, like I said, want to do is like be able to get my crystals and stuff once everything's all ready and do things with them, along with my crystal healing singing bowls. I'm going to also make videos with that. I might add some singing into it sometime. I don't know, we'll see. My handpan drum, I'm wanting to do that in the woods. Well, I was about to go walk over there and show y'all, and then he landed. But a lot of my garden, the other channel I have cameras as well. Let me see, you should be able to see how over here I had the bird fi thing. So there's a lot of cameras, a lot of wildlife, raccoons, opossums. There was a coyote, there's a lot of birds. And so hummingbirds, because I got that hummingbird feeder out too, which is over on that trellis, that little red back there. Oh, he came back. I hate to disturb. Huh? He's just all over the place. But maybe sometime I can show y'all. But in there is where I'm wanting to be sitting at and doing all of this. So I don't know. We'll see. It's just going to take a little time. But I needed to go ahead and make a quick video updating, letting y'all know what's going on, why I haven't been making videos. I've pretty much been out here working out in the garden, and then in the house as well, because I got a lot of changes that I'm trying to do, like rearranging and things like that. But it also depends on how much longer I'll be able to live here. If things change and go a certain direction, then of course I'll be staying here, and then really finishing organizing, rearranging, this and the other. And if not, then I'll be packing basically and moving back to my mobile home. So we'll see. I don't know what the future holds, but we're gonna find all that out together. But yeah, for the meantime, like I said, I'm trying to get all of this done, but definitely be on the lookout. I'm hoping soon-ish I can get a oracle card video going or something. I'm not quite sure yet, but we'll see together. So yeah, so just wanted to let y'all know all this. Much love, everybody. And if there's something specific that I do that you would like me to do, even if you like my true crime type videos or anything with the mediumship and all that kind of stuff, definitely let me know what you like, and I can try to figure out what all that I can do with the time that I have and all of that as well. So he is definitely a hungry blue jay today. Oh yeah, and of course the squirrels. They love it out here too. Oh, it's somewhere nearby. But yeah, Alright, much love everybody. See y'all soon.